Yo, what's cracking, folks? It's your boy Hatfree Speaks, and we're going to go ahead and jump in today with Peter Gabriel, and this song is called Sledgehammer. Peter Gabriel, there are a few reactions of this artist here on the channel, so go ahead, type in Peter Gabriel, Hatfree Speaks, reaction, whatever tickles your fancy, and hopefully something should populate your YouTube page. Now, Sledgehammer, this video, it's one of those epic videos, a bit like Sinead O'Connor's Nothing Compares to You. This video in particular, I have seen it, not in its full glory, but glimmers of it, because it's just so weird. There's nothing like this that was made when this was made, as far as I'm aware. Just my vibe, just my feeling. And I am familiar with the song, but I've never heard it in its entirety. So I know it goes something like, oh, sledgehammer, bum, bum, bum. Something along those lines. I may have just butchered it there, but hoo-ha, life goes on. So, with that being said, if you are new, I would appreciate if you do hit that subscribe button, notification bell, give the video a like, give it a share, because we're going to jump in today with Peter Gabriel, and this song is called Sledgehammer, the official music video. Hopefully this is not blocked, and if it is, I'll find a way to get it out to you anyway, in some shape, way or form. Alright, so let's jump in without further ado. Alright. Yo.
You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an aeroplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything
Wow. Interesting. Interesting. Let's just talk about that video for a second. Right. Start of the video before I completely lose my trail of thought here. The start of the video, we have, of course, we have the sperms swimming over, creating life, the creation of life, and so forth. And it goes through the process. I mean, obviously, through the video, we got different scenarios being played out. But notice at the end how everything becomes, I guess, into the cosmos, into the universe. You know, because he stands up and he merges into the night sky as stars, and yet, as far as I'm aware, we are pieces of the universe, right? Literally, the video depicts that, the cycle of life, beginning and the end. That wacky stuff that was going on partway through that video might be a sign of, I guess, the turbulence we all face in life at some point. Okay, and that was a fantastic piece of art. Actually, I'm yet to find a video as wacky and interesting as that. That was amazing. The song as well. I want to be a sledgehammer. Oh, and he goes back in. I love that bit of the song. It's almost as if it just pauses and just lets you go with the beat, and he just comes back in. Beautifully crafted, amazing video, and he wants to be a sledgehammer. Not in a violent way, of course, but more in a loving sense. One has to assume. Right, folks, that was Peter Gabriel with Sledgehammer. Amazing video. That video is quite iconic, and I think I was literally thrown off. Actually, partway through there, I started thinking about something else, but that's music for you. It does that to you sometimes. But the video itself, it had me engaged because I've not seen anything like it. Is it stop-start animation or something? You know, where they just take a picture or they freeze frame it and then they put the other stuff in, and I mean, you need a lot of patience. Well, you need an incredible amount of patience to be doing that, because usually they do that stuff with clay. I'm not sure if you're familiar with Wallace and Gromit. They've done it with that, where they freeze frame each scene. It's tedious is the word I'm looking for. And Peter Gabriel, he must have sat through that to make sure every single shot was done in a way for him to almost lip sync the singing along with what he was portraying in that music video. So amazing. We got to watch the making of. I think that would be quite interesting to see that, because I've not seen anything like that ever come out again. All right, folks, that was my reaction. Make sure you're staying safe. That was Peter Gabriel with Sledgehammer. All right, catch you in the next one. Peace.